Jack is the owner of this restaurant, which is well known, profitable, and just very nice. But after the time, anything requires refreshing and upgrading. Jack isn't happy with the idea of total renovation. He knows that it is long, expensive, and very inconvenient. But the most terrible thing is time-consuming and interruption of the business for weeks or months or even more. Jack has a few options: spend a lot of money, close the business, have a mess inside, or still work in an old place with old furniture and bad, old-looking interior. But wait a minute, Jack. Here's a new solution for renovation. Have you heard about Nelcos? Yes, Jack. This is a popular renovation solution in Europe and Asia, but very new for our country. In the 21st century, any surface can be recovered with new material. It is interior vinyl film. We can wrap your tables, doors, walls, front desk, actually anything using Nelcos solution.